Hi, this is Russ Hardy with Fieldpiece Instruments, and today we're going to talk about the new BG36 over-the-shoulder inspection bag. So this bag is designed for your initial inspection, so it's a smaller bag. We have two bags, and this is the smaller of our two. And so with the BG36, it still can fit a ton of tools. So let's go ahead and just open up the main pocket. You can just see all the drivers and wrenches and meters I got up in the front. We have a padded back area, so you can still put a meter back here and not have it damaged by any of your harder tools. And so this is basically the main compartment. There's 4 levels of kind of stadium style pockets just for all of your tool needs. Up in the front here, I got places for your small drivers or like small tools, as well as a magnet for all your bits and pieces that while you're working on the job. This magnet also is on the outside, so if I close it on up, I can still put tools, bits and pieces on the outside if I'm working that way. So that's the basics of the inside of the bag. So let's now go ahead and check out the outside of the bag. So in my front pocket right here, I can just carry more stuff. It's got a couple different sections in the front, so you can put various leads or parts and pieces, things like that. On my side here, I have another pocket, and this is specifically built for basically one instrument, one small meter or one. This is a dual temperature that I got in the back right here. There's a couple different pockets on this side, so you can fit your bits and pieces and accessories of whatever tool you end up putting there. On the other side, I got just another kind of open style pocket for just some other extra stuff. And let's go to the back here. I have a nice padded area, so it's comfortable while you're walking, as well as the nice close feature. So how this latch closes is you basically just barely put it down, and it's a magnet that holds it in place, and it's really strong, even though you barely have to touch it closed. That once it's engaged, I can shake it around and not lose anything. So I can open it back up and show you that nothing moved out of there. Okay. Now the materials on the BG36 are very similar to the materials on the BG44. They're really tough. All this black material that you see is basically the same type of material that holds bulletproof vests together. It's not exactly bulletproof itself, but it doesn't fray or anything as it gets damaged. It's a really tough material. The gray stuff on the inside is called rip stop. So if there ever is a rip, it basically just stops it from continuing to grow, and just real durable stuff, and will continue to last through lots of wear and tear. And then the padded features that you see both on the strap and the back. This stuff is it's really comfortable, keeps you free of sweat because it's breathable, but it's also just really tough and not prone to wear and tear. The bottom's a PVC. This will keep it wet from damp surfaces as well. So we got a couple handles, a couple extra places to put some tape, a pen holder on the back, and a few different hooks. So that's the basics of the BG36. It's available now at your local distributor.